Have you ever lost weight only to find yourself gaining it all back? It's frustrating, but you're not alone. This yo-yo effect, the constant cycle of losing and gaining weight, is very common and affects millions of people who are looking to lose weight for good. But why does this happen? And most importantly, how can you avoid it? Today we're going to talk about exactly that. If you want a lasting transformation and are tired of losing and gaining weight repeatedly, keep watching, because I'm going to show you the strategies to end the yo-yo effect once and for all. The yo-yo effect, also known as the weight loss and gain cycle, happens when a person loses weight quickly, usually with very restrictive diets. These diets often promise rapid results, luring people in with the hope of shedding pounds in a short amount of time. However, the reality is that these quick fixes are not sustainable. After the initial weight loss, many find themselves reverting to old eating habits, leading to weight gain, sometimes even more than before. This cycle can be incredibly frustrating and disheartening. This happens for a very simple reason. Our body is an adaptable machine, and when it senses that it is in a state of deprivation, it reacts by conserving energy. This is a survival mechanism that dates back to our ancestors, who faced periods of famine. This conservation translates into fat storage. When the body perceives a threat to its energy supply, it holds on to fat as a reserve, preparing for future scarcity. Restrictive diets, those that drastically cut calories or eliminate entire food groups, can cause muscle loss. This is because the body, in its quest to conserve energy, starts breaking down muscle tissue for fuel. Muscle is metabolically active, meaning it helps burn calories. The more muscle mass you have, the higher your resting metabolic rate, which means you burn more calories even when you're not exercising. When we lose muscle mass, our metabolism slows down, making it difficult to maintain weight loss. This slower metabolism means that even if you return to your previous eating habits, you may gain weight more easily than before. Additionally, these diets leave the body lacking essential nutrients, which increases hunger and cravings for food, making it impossible to maintain the result in the long term. The body craves balance and nourishment, and when it doesn't get what it needs, it sends strong signals to eat more. The key to avoiding this cycle is understanding that healthy weight loss needs to be gradual and sustainable without extreme sacrifices. This means adopting a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods, ensuring you get all the necessary nutrients. Your body needs to feel nourished and balanced, not constantly on alert and deprived. This involves listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues and eating in a way that feels satisfying and enjoyable. This means that the solution is not in fad diets, but in an approach that respects your body's time. Consulting with a nutritionist or dietitian can help you create a personalized plan that fits your lifestyle and goals. Incorporating regular physical activity is also crucial. Exercise not only helps with weight management, but also improves overall health, boosts mood, and increases energy levels. Finding activities you enjoy can make it easier to stay consistent. Hydration and proper supplementation can also play a role in maintaining a healthy weight. Drinking enough water helps with digestion and can prevent overeating, while vitamins and minerals support various bodily functions. Don't underestimate the power of good sleep. Quality sleep is essential for weight management as it regulates hormones that control hunger and appetite. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night to support your weight loss efforts. Lastly, setting realistic goals and celebrating small victories can keep you motivated. Weight loss is a journey, and it's important to acknowledge your progress along the way. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but also about building healthy habits that last a lifetime. Embracing a holistic approach to weight loss, one that includes balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, proper hydration, good sleep, and mental well-being, can help you break free from the yo-yo effect and achieve lasting results. Your journey to a healthier you is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time and be kind to yourself along the way. If you've ever wondered why it seems like every time you lose weight, it gets harder to lose more, the answer may lie in your metabolism. When you go on a very restrictive diet, your body adjusts its metabolism to burn fewer calories. This is a survival mechanism we inherited from our ancestors. When the body receives less energy, calories, it goes into an energy-saving mode. This adjustment in metabolism is the main culprit of the yo-yo effect. Now, to break this cycle, it is essential to work with your metabolism, not against it. This starts with including foods that speed up your metabolism. We talked about this in a previous video, but it goes beyond that. Maintaining an exercise routine is essential to keep your metabolism active, especially those that include strength training. Weight training, for example, is a great ally to preserve and increase muscle mass, which helps to speed up metabolism and burn more calories even at rest. In addition to exercise, another crucial factor is eating small, frequent meals. Eating several times a day in smaller portions keeps your metabolism working efficiently, avoids hunger spikes, and keeps your body fueled with nutrients constantly. Avoiding the yo-yo effect is not just about the body but also about the mind. Emotional balance plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. When we talk about the yo-yo effect, we often think of fluctuating weight, but it's much more than that. It's about the ups and downs of our mental state as well. A balanced mind can help us make better decisions, stay motivated, and keep us on track with our goals. The way you deal with food and your body has a huge impact on your long-term results. It's not just about what you eat, but how you think about food. Are you eating to nourish your body, or are you eating to fill an emotional void? Understanding your relationship with food is the first step towards making lasting changes. When you approach food with a positive mindset, you're more likely to make healthier choices that benefit your body and mind. Extremely restrictive diets not only harm your metabolism, but also affect the relationship we have with food. When you deprive yourself of certain foods, you may start to crave them even more, leading to a cycle of binging and guilt. This can create a negative association with food, making it difficult to enjoy meals and listen to your body's hunger cues. Instead of focusing on what you can't have, try to incorporate a variety of nutritious foods that you enjoy. Many people start to see food as an enemy, when in fact it should be seen as an ally to nourish and strengthen the body. Food is not just fuel, it's a source of pleasure, culture, and connection. By shifting your perspective, you can start to appreciate the role that food plays in your life. Enjoying a meal with loved ones, trying new recipes, and savoring each bite can enhance your overall well-being. An important aspect is emotional balance. When you're emotionally balanced, you're better equipped to handle stress and make healthier choices. Practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and spending time in nature can help you achieve this balance. These activities can reduce stress, improve your mood, and increase your overall sense of well-being. Stress, anxiety, and frustration with the scale can lead to so-called emotional eating, where people turn to food to cope with difficult feelings. This is a common response, but it can create a cycle of negative emotions and unhealthy eating habits. Recognizing the triggers that lead to emotional eating is the first step towards breaking this cycle. Once you're aware of these triggers, you can find healthier ways to cope with your emotions. This often leads to a loss of control over eating and, as a consequence, weight regain. It's important to remember that setbacks are a natural part of any journey. Instead of beating yourself up over a slip-up, try to learn from it and move forward. Self-compassion is key to maintaining a healthy relationship with food and your body. Practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and even behavioral therapy can help create a healthier relationship with food and the body. These practices can teach you to be more present and aware of your thoughts and feelings. By developing a mindful approach to eating, you can learn to listen to your body's signals and make choices that support your health and well-being. Maintaining a long-term mindset is also crucial. It's easy to get caught up in short-term goals and quick fixes, but true transformation takes time. Setting realistic, achievable goals can help you stay motivated and focused. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and remember that every step forward is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Don't think of weight loss as a temporary goal, but as an ongoing transformation. Embracing a new lifestyle means making changes that you can sustain for the long term. This might include finding physical activities that you enjoy, building a support system, and creating a routine that fits your life. The more you integrate these changes into your daily life, the more natural they will become. It's much easier to maintain healthy habits over time if you see the process as something permanent and not a short-term race. Building a healthy lifestyle is a journey, not a destination. By focusing on the long-term benefits and making gradual changes, you can create a sustainable, balanced approach to health and wellness. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about progress and finding what works best for you. Now let's get to the practical part, how to avoid the yo-yo effect with food. The yo-yo effect, also known as weight cycling, is a common issue where individuals lose weight only to regain it, often repeatedly. This can be frustrating and disheartening. But with the right strategies, it is possible to maintain a healthy weight without falling into this cycle. The first strategy is to avoid radical diets. These diets often promise quick results but are usually unsustainable in the long term. They can lead to nutrient deficiencies and a slowed metabolism, making it harder to keep the weight off once you stop the diet. Instead of cutting out all the foods you like at once, focus on balance. A balanced diet includes a variety of foods from all food groups in the right proportions. This not only ensures that you get all the necessary nutrients but also makes it easier to stick to your eating plan. Include foods rich in fiber, lean protein, and healthy fats, which will keep you fuller for longer and help control hunger spikes. Fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains slow down digestion, making you feel full for a longer period. Lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and legumes are essential for muscle repair and growth, while healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil provide long-lasting energy. Whole foods, such as grains and cereals, are also great for stabilizing blood sugar levels and keeping your metabolism revved up. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are packed with nutrients and fiber, which help in maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day. They also prevent the spikes and crashes in blood sugar that can lead to cravings and overeating. Another important tip is to learn to listen to your body. Mindful eating is a practice that involves paying full attention to the experience of eating and drinking, both inside and outside the body. This means being aware of the colors, smells, textures, flavors, temperatures, and even the sounds of your food. Eating for hunger, and not for emotion, is a basic principle, but often ignored. Emotional eating can be triggered by stress, boredom, or other emotions, leading to overeating and weight gain. By recognizing and addressing the emotional triggers, you can develop healthier coping mechanisms that don't involve food. This means respecting your fullness cues and stopping eating when you are satisfied, not stuffed. It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register that you are full, so eating slowly and savoring each bite can help you avoid overeating. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after meals, and adjust your portion sizes accordingly. Hydration also plays a vital role in weight management. Water is essential for every cell, tissue, and organ in your body. It helps regulate body temperature, transport nutrients, and remove waste. Staying hydrated can also help you feel more energetic and focused throughout the day. We often mistake thirst for hunger, leading to excessive calorie consumption. When you feel hungry, try drinking a glass of water first, and wait a few minutes to see if the hunger subsides. This simple habit can help you avoid unnecessary snacking and reduce your overall calorie intake. Be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to aid in the digestive process and keep your body balanced. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day and more if you are physically active or live in a hot climate. You can also include other hydrating beverages like herbal teas and water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelon in your diet. By incorporating these practical food strategies into your daily routine, you can achieve and maintain a healthy weight without falling into the yo-yo effect. Remember, the key is to make sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long term. Small, consistent efforts can lead to significant results over time. So start today and take the first step towards a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. You already know that exercise is essential for keeping your metabolism revved up, but how does it help prevent the yo-yo effect? The answer is consistency. Moving your body regularly, whether with intense exercise or simple activities like walking, is one of the best ways to prevent weight regain. This is because exercise keeps your body burning calories, even when you're not working out. Strength training is particularly effective because it helps increase muscle mass, which is the metabolically active tissue in your body. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest. In addition, exercise also helps improve mood and reduce stress levels, factors that directly impact your relationship with food and weight maintenance. Avoiding the yo-yo effect is a process that takes patience and consistency, but it is totally possible. The secret is to abandon radical diets and adopt a balanced approach that respects your body and your metabolism. Remember that lasting weight loss comes with healthy habits that you can maintain over the long term without suffering. So, are you ready to leave the yo-yo effect behind and transform your life once and for all? If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who needs these tips. Let's go on this journey together. See you next time.